Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I am going to organize mine and Chris's drawers using the Kon Mari method. I'm going to take everything out, I'm going to fold it tightly and really try to maximize space. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I am first going to show you the mess in the drawers so you can kind of see what I'm getting started with. This is my husband's drawer. This is all of his t-shirts and his workout shirts. We put them all in one drawer. And as you can see, it's kind of busting out, as well as his drawer for his khaki shorts. This is my drawer for my shorts. We live in Florida, so I have a ton of them, but some of them don't fit and I need to get them out. No shame in that. Here is another little nook with more shorts, overflow. That is my unmentionables. I will not get into detail with those. There are my socks. And then we have catch-all drawers. I don't know why, but this is my husband's side and it's obvious we need to clean that out. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. I am going to be pulling everything out one drawer at a time and refolding everything in the Kon Mari way. I know a lot of YouTubers are doing it as well, and it really does help maximize space. I want to also make it easy for my husband to be able to pick out the shirts he wants. When you see me folding the shirts, please pay close attention. You will see I'm going to open the shirt up and I'm going to fold it like you regularly would, or at least how I would regularly fold the shirts, putting the arms together. Then I'm going to fold the arm in. And then I'm going to fold the side right back in. Now, originally I rolled them up as you see there on the side there, but then I realized I didn't like it and it wasn't easy for them to go in there. So you see I'm unrolling them and you'll see how I roll it up to make them flat like that. Just take it all. I'm really loving how tight and flat everything is, and when I put it in the drawers, it's making it really easy for my husband to be able to go in there and pick out exactly what he's looking for. I know this may seem redundant, but I want to try to help you guys out as much as possible. See how I did it? And then I fold it in again. And then up, halfway, and then the other half. Now I'm going to speed through here. You guys will kind of get an overview of that. Didn't want to bore you with all of my folding. And I'm going to get all of his shirts taken care of so I can get them in there looking nice. Doing things like this for my husband is just a little something I do to show him I care. This is kind of, you know, the way I take care of him, and he definitely does appreciate it. So initially I wanted to put him in here like this, but I realized that I was not going to be able to utilize the space as expected. So you see I switch it all up, and honestly that's what this is all about, is just figuring out what works for you guys. What this life could bring, all the love. I first saw this system watching one of my sweet friends' channels, Allie Gooch, Simply Allie, whom I absolutely adore. And I saw her doing this with her husband's clothes, and I really felt like a light bulb went off. She is so sweet and sincere. If you guys don't know who I'm talking about, I'm going to leave her channel information in my description box. She deserves all the love, and I definitely like to shout out any of my YouTube friends that I get inspiration from, especially when they are so sweethearted like she is. Okay, now on to the dreaded workout shorts. I don't know if your husband is like mine, but he has probably a bazillion workout shorts, and it is really annoying sometimes. I can never get them all in the drawer, so that was another reason why I needed to adopt this method. You guys saw how I folded that, but I will do it again so you could definitely get an idea of how I'm maximizing space here. And he is a pretty big dude, so his shorts are kind of big. You see I fold them regular, fold them in again, 1, 2, just like the shirts basically. I was really surprised how well everything went into the drawers. I started rolling everything again, and like I did with the shirts, thinking that would make more sense because I saw that his shorts were obviously bigger and there were more of them, and I thought I was going to be able to get more in that way. But you'll see that I unroll everything and put it back in there folded. It is just the better way to go, in my opinion. I should have learned my lesson with the shirt, but that's okay. Everything fit in here so nicely. I was so surprised, pleasantly surprised, to be honest with you. Everything fit in here perfectly, and I was able to go through and get rid of all of the stuff that I really don't like. So, sorry, babe. Another drawer done. Now on to the khakis. This man has got some serious clothes, let me tell you guys. And if you think he has a lot of clothes, his shoe game is on point. This man has got so many shoes. I want to say he has more than I do. It doesn't help that my dad sells Stacey Adams shoes, so he gets free shoes on the regular, and if I ever see shoes that I like, I buy them for him, so he's got a ton. So you see how I'm folding the khakis? This was great. I was able to get two side by side and really maximize the space here. So here I'm adding where I was actually folding my clothes there. I'm going to bring you over to my side and then show you how I'm going to take care of some of my shorts. I got rid of a lot of them that did not fit anymore. The shorts that might be too tight or too big, I will just put them in a bin if I really, really like them. I don't want to keep them in the drawers because it just takes up space. I'd rather put them in a bin in my closet and then put a label so I know for later. The shorts that I wear the most right now are from Old Navy. They are the linen blend. I will get the link for you guys. They are out of season, so basically now's the time to get them. And here's a picture of me at 23 years old with Isabella and Drew. Oh my goodness. So here is my husband's drawer. This is where I put his boxers. I just folded them regular. I did it this way. I thought it was easier. He has different types. And then in his bottom drawer here, those are some of his white shirts and his sweatbands, as well as some books that he likes to read, or his notepads and journals. Here is his side of the dresser where I put his khakis. I just folded them normal and then folded them again just to make them longer than they are wide. That way I was able to put two next to each other. This is what I consider my night-night drawer. That's what I call it. And these are the shirts I'll wear to bed and my pants.
You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
I have my bras lined in the top. I also have a band here because I know this might sound weird, but sometimes I will use my band while I'm laying in bed. While we're watching TV, especially if I feel guilty about what I ate. I also have my medicines that I take every night inside my drawer because I know I won't forget them when I'm in bed. Right there, everything's close. Now I have my tank tops here. I've made 4 little sections, just folded them real tight so everything fits.
You know you are the reason why I feel like.
Here are my PJ sets that I have. It's a little different than the other stuff in the other drawer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all. Bye.
You are, you are, you are, you are.